Assalamu alaikum students. So today I am here with a new lesson. It is about interior and exterior angles of polygons. Now what are polygons? Polygons are the two-dimensional figure. They are closed figure. Now if I want to try a polygon with lines, they are made up of straight line. I cannot make it closed. So I need at least 3 lines to make it a closed figure. So triangle is the first polygon. Now if I want to talk about circle, so circle is not a polygons because there is no line, there is no straight line. Regular polygon, if I want to talk about, so it is all shapes with equal side. So you can see the triangles with equal side, the square with equal side, the pentagon, all the shapes have the equal sides. Now quadrilateral, if I want to talk about, it is a four-sided figure. Now there are many quadrilateral I have drawn here. This is a rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, parallelogram and kite. And if I want to talk about triangle, triangle is a three-sided figure or three-angled figure. Now there are different types of triangle: obtuse angle, obtused angled triangle, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, and this is isosceles triangle. Now interior angles of triangle. If I am taking an equilateral triangle, so each angle is same. Each angle is of 60 degree. This is the interior angle. So the sum of interior angles of triangle is always 180 degree. Now what is an exterior angle? So this is an interior angle, and exterior angle means extend the interior angle and you will get an exterior angle. Now this is becoming a supplementary angle. This is 60. So 180 minus 60, we get 120. So the exterior angle is 120. So if I am taking this side, the exterior angle, this is 60. The supplementary angle will be 120. If I extend this line, so this is 60. So this will be 120. So the sum of exterior angle of this triangle is 120 plus 120 plus 120, which is making 360 degrees. Now important thing that I want to tell you about the exterior angle is, if this is the exterior angle, this is the exterior angle. If I'm taking this side, so if this is interior, this will be the exterior. If this is interior, this will be exterior. If this is interior, this is the exterior. So if I'm just taking this out, so you can see that each exterior angle is making a circle, and you know that angles at a point or angles in a circle is 360. So there are 360 degrees in a circle, and all the angles, exterior angles, are making a circle 120, 120, 120. Isn't it interesting? Let's talk about rectangle. The interior angle of rectangle, the first interior 90, the second interior, the third interior, and the fourth interior. So sum of interior angles 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 is making 360 degrees. So it means that a triangle sum, interior angle sum is equal to 180, but the interior angles of a rectangle or a quadrilateral is 360. Now let's talk about the exterior angle. Simple, extending the interior angles line, making a supplementary angle. Now if this is 90, the outside angle or the exterior angle is also 90. If this is 90, the supplementary angle is also 90. This is 90, its supplementary angle is also 90, and this is 90 and the supplementary angle is also 90. So here our exterior angles are all 90 degrees. 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90. They are making it as 360. So the interior angle is 360 and the exterior angle is also 360. Now again, the interesting fact that we discussed about triangle, let's check whether we can observe it in the rectangle or not. So if I take the first line, the second line, the third line and fourth line, all 90 degrees, if I want to draw a circle, I can see that all exterior angles sum up to 360 degrees. Sum of exterior angles is 360. So what did we deduce? Sum of exterior angle of a triangle and a rectangle is coming 360. So it means all polygons exterior angles sum up to 360 degrees. Whether it is a pentagon, hexagon, any polygon, the exterior angle is always 360 degrees. I hope you have understood the exterior angles. Thank you students. Have a good day. But don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.